What is up, investors? Jason here. So with a potential bottom being found soon on the price of Bitcoin, could that mean that we're going to be getting close to an absolutely amazing altcoin season to look forward to? Now, at this moment, we're seeing altcoins going absolutely wild. We have some really big gains going on over in the altcoin space. And this is, of course, after all the volatility that we've been seeing with the price of Bitcoin. Now, if Bitcoin is to move down a bit, we're going to see altcoins move down even more. That's what we've been seeing. Now, altcoins, a lot of altcoins do have a lot of potential to make some very big gains if we were to see a crypto rally. Now, if Bitcoin was to find a bottom, or if it's at around the bottom right now, hanging out around $30,000, $31,000 a time I'm making this right now, and we've even seen Bitcoin drop in that $29,000 price. If this was to be the bottom, we could be seeing an absolutely amazing altcoin rally that is going to be much larger than the rally that we would see with Bitcoin, because we've seen altcoins, some altcoins drop well over half their value in this very short amount of time between November and now. So I want to talk about some altcoins that have a lot to gain. Now, of course, I'm going to be talking about ones that I like a lot, like Cardano and Solana. So as we get to it, if you guys don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash, destroy, annihilate, or gently press that like button to help me out with the algorithm, help spread the content to more people that might find it interesting. And subscribe if you have not already, because I talk about crypto related content every single day, and around like 10% of you guys that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So please do so. Now let's get to it. Now, just a glance over what's going on over in the crypto market at this moment. Look at the price movements. We have Bitcoin up more than 1.5%, Ethereum up nearly 4%. We have BNB up more than 6.5%, XRP more than 4%, Solana more than 5.5%, Cardano more than 2.5%. We have Dogecoin nearly 5%. And we have Avalanche more than 7.5%, Polkadot more than, or nearly 5.5%, and Shiba Inu more than 16%. But I mean, look at over the last 7 days, the crypto market has definitely been absolutely beat up big time. Now, we used to have Terra Luna in the top 10 largest cryptocurrencies by market cap, according to CoinMarketCap. Now it's number 18, but just over these last 24 hours, Terra Luna is down nearly 50%, and this was a very steep drop, which is definitely something that has affected the price of Bitcoin. They have lost their peg on their stablecoin, Terra USD, UST stablecoin. Currently no longer a stable coin, no longer at that $1 price. It's currently at around 81 cents time I'm making this right now. Now they are working on building that up right now. There's a lot going into it right now. The team is very hard at work trying to get that back up and get that back to its peg at this moment. So a lot of drama going on there, and we're not going to really get into that at this moment. Let's just go over and look at the altcoins. So we'll start this off first with one of my favorite altcoins, as you guys know, Cardano ADA. Now, Cardano has come down significantly from where it was at its highs back in the beginning of September 2021, where it was at an all-time high of $3.10. Now, currently, Cardano is priced at 63 cents at the time I'm making this right now, so it's gone down significantly. Now, we're going to use a $1 price as the bottom, because that was the price that every time Cardano would go on a little bit of a rally in 2021, around this time, we'll say last year, that it would find support again at a $1 price. So we're going to say from a low of $1 in mid-July that we had seen Cardano's rally start taking off from there, where we saw Cardano go from $1 all the way up to the $3.10 price by September 1st at that time. So, I mean, we're talking about less than a month and a half here that we had seen Cardano go on this significant rally, more than triple its value. And then from there, though, I mean, we tipped over and we went in this falling wedge and things got very bearish. And this is just because after the Alonzo hard fork had come out, which is what was leading into a lot of this rally that we had seen. And also crypto was very bullish at this time too. We had seen a lot of price movements over in the crypto market. So the Alonzo hard fork was one of the big things that was helping to rally Cardano at this time, and that was the smart contract capabilities on Cardano. Now, after we had gotten that, of course, these things take time to get. So with that, a lot of investors got impatient and not really seeing a lot of the of these dApps coming out, and that led into just a bit of selling off that had continuously happened from that point on in until we got in this bearish time here in 2022, where the whole crypto market in general had just experienced a lot of FUD, and that really helped bring things down even more so. But I think there's a lot to gain with Cardano now, especially as we lead into that next hard fork, the Vassal hard fork that is going to be coming out next month. So we have that to look forward to, and I think that could be a good rally with Cardano if we are to see things turn around in the crypto market. And of course, that is if we have found the bottom with Bitcoin. There could be a lot to gain if we found the bottom of Bitcoin and things start turning around from here. That could be very big for the entire crypto market and huge for the altcoins, because so many of these altcoins are down significantly from where they were at their highs. Now, let's take this on over to Solana. Now, Solana is currently priced at $67 at this moment, and there's a lot to gain from Solana if the crypto market is to turn around and it is to go back to being bullish after this recent crash, which is something that could potentially happen. We can easily turn that switch on for altcoin season and have some big gains, because if we look at the 52-week range for Solana, the 52-week high for Solana, $260. So we're down significantly from that high. Just like how we've seen Cardano go on this big drop, we have seen the same thing happen with Solana. So a lot to gain from Solana if we are to see a rally. And we were seeing these prices with Solana, back in November. So anything is really possible here. Now, if we continue to look more so into the crypto market and we look into see what's going on with the rest of the altcoins, where we have Polkadot currently priced at $12.50 right now. But if we look at the price of Polkadot over the last 52 weeks, we look at its all-time high back in November, where Polkadot was priced at $56 at a time. So that was the high that Polkadot had gotten to. So there's huge upside potential with Polkadot if we are to see a rally. Same with Avalanche, where we had seen the high for Avalanche back in November being priced at above $150, and now look at it, about $45 at this time. And we should even talk about our meme coins. I mean, looking at Dogecoin, where it's currently between 10 11 cents right now, but we were at these same prices in March with Dogecoin, and into April, we had seen the price of Dogecoin going up to more than 17 cents at that time. So there's a lot of price movements able to happen here. And Shiba Inu and the rest of the altcoins out there that have dropped significantly since we started seeing this bear market have a lot of potential to really gain from these lower prices in a bull market. Now, I'm saying in a bull market, I don't mean right now, and I don't mean that the prices for crypto is going to all of a sudden stop going down and turn around and go back up. Anything is possible. We're in a bear market. It can get more rocky, or we could have found the bottom. But my personal strategy, my own risk tolerance is a bit more bullish than a lot of people, and this is the time that I'm personally buying in. But just because I do something does not mean that's always a good decision, so do keep that in mind. Everybody has their own risk tolerance, and in a bear market, there is no wrong time to get into it. So always trust your best judgment, always go with your gut, and always, if you need to, always talk to a financial fiduciary person that has a responsibility to actually help you out with that, because that's always the best case scenario. So anyways, I'd like to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions on what is going on in the crypto market. Is there anybody out there that is buying this dip right now? I would like to know, does anybody think that we could have possibly hit the bottom with Bitcoin and that altcoins should be something that we're thinking about buying? Because that's my strategy. That's what I'm currently doing. I'm investing heavily into altcoins right now because I think that there is a huge upside potential with altcoins, with many of them, down more than where they were at their highs. They're down more than 3 times the price they were at their highs. So I think that there's huge upside potential for a lot of these. So anyways, with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.